This food has a texture like a frittata. In this video, I will show you 2 ways to make it. One version served in bread and another one that you can easily enjoy with rice or bread on the side. Here you can find the ingredients. You can use leeks instead of chives. Chop your washed herbs. Then crack 4 eggs and add them in. Mash some garlic clove and mix it in as well. Now season everything with salt, black pepper and turmeric. Next, add in the chopped walnuts and barberries. Mix everything together until it's all nice and even. For the fancier version, cut a French baguette into thick slices and remove the soft part from inside. Add some oil to a pan. Arrange the bread slices in it. Now spoon the mixture into each one. Once the oil starts bubbling, let them cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're golden. Then gently flip them to crisp the other side. For the simpler version, just heat some oil in a regular pan. Once it's hot, pour the kuku mixture in. Spread it evenly, then cover it and let it cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. نوش جان.